guys. Going to the bathroom to go. Sorry. So we're going to the bathroom because we need a toothbrush. You guys cannot see anything. Okay. Flashlight is red light. Okay, that's the bathroom over there. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I love camping, guys. Okay, yeah. We're camping right now. Welcome. I forgot to film in the morning, but it was so great. But I did a video short transition. So cool. This is the bathroom. Okay, see you guys later. Hey! Okay. Oh yeah.
Did the baby go in my arms?
So today is the next morning, and this, and it's okay. So this is where she's going washing the dishes.
Dun.
Okay,
Samahan mo ka dun sa
this is our tent. It's
washroom.
2 rooms.
Please.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom, and then Mom needs to go. Later on, we're gonna go to the beach. I'm gonna go to the beach. It's gonna be tiring, very tiring. So we're going to like the same place as yesterday, to the bathroom. But like guys couldn't see it. So now you guys can see it because it's morning. The volleyball court is very close, and the basketball court is over there. We're gonna pass by it. We're not gonna pass by, but we're gonna see it from the washroom. Washroom's over there. Other campsites. A lot of campsites. Yeah, that's the volleyball. That's where Simon and Tim, my older brothers, play there. And I will follow them there. That's the washroom over there. I go there. Okay. Cute. Look at that. I'm still wearing my PJs because right now it's 10, and at 11 we're gonna go to the beach. I'm so excited. And a toothbrush? Because we're gonna leave somewhere. Okay, so my mom is still in the bathroom. I'm just gonna walk. I'm gonna help her. So, I'm gonna walk forward. I'm very excited to go to the beach. It's like an obstacle course on the beach. It's like 1 hour away. But that's great. There's a park right there. I haven't even went there yet. I'm gonna go there soon. Okay, let's go. I'll start running. I'm tired. I'm super hungry, guys. Over here, sir. Let's move it back. Here. Let's go inside our tent. I'll go put this here. It's easier. This is our parents' room. Let's go.
Abit yun eh, nakapad. Ayun o, yung parking. Oo, pwede sigurong i-move. Sila yun. Yan yung nasa bilog na kulay dilaw. Silang tatlo lang talaga, no? Naglalaro, no? Hindi sila nakikilaro sa iba. Pero si Tim nun, wala madadaan ngayon, anak. Pwede kayong umupo dito. Dito. Kung gusto nyo kumain. O, ito yung mga plates. Lagyan nyo na lang muna sa gilid. Dito na ba? Oo. Oh.
Hindi pa inubos ng mga bere.
So we are in this historical site.
Rocky Mountain House. Rocky Mountain House National Historic Site.
Yeah, we already passed by the people over there. So we're outside right now, and it's like raining a little bit.
Bawal ba pumasok?
There,
Bawal ba pumasok?
thing.
Wala naman sinabi.
So cool.
Wala. Diyan daw
Uy,
siya
hanap,
nag-camp.
pasok ka dyan. Pasok ka dyan, pidyon ka namin.
Diyan daw
This.
siya nag-camp si Kuya.
Hanap, pasok ka dyan. Pipicture ka namin.
Pugo eh.
Oh my god. Okay, we are inside. We're inside. Oh my gosh, looks so nice. So we're just walking around now. Outside.
Tara, pag ganon.
Look there.
Si Tim ang nasa map eh.
Bonjour et bienvenue au lieu historique national Rocky Mountain House. L'un des principaux centres de commerce.
Oh, yeah, let's do the change. Oh, there's an easy
There's it like right there.
cost over there.
Oh my gosh.
The loop, if we take the loops, then it takes longer. But if we take the easy trail, it's about like, never mind though. There is no easy trail. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Here.
They follow the Saskatchewan River to get to it.
Paano nila nakahanap ng direction?
Okay, we go here.
Oh, look at that chimney.
Oh, let's go.
What is this?
Oh, let's go in my house. That's my cabin. Where I'm living.
What is this?
These next couple of days. Yo, it's a skating park. Oh gosh. Bro.
So much more cool stuff here. Go over here. So nice. Okay, we're gonna.
Tao ba yun?
Yeah, it's someone.
These remains are preserved as rare example of the primitive chimneys built by the fur traders. Hana, ikaw kaya magbasa.
There's nothing here. Look right there, right there. Go over here. Look, ready. I'm ready what this is probably.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Next picture.
parang itong lugar
Anak,
na to.
dito sila nagtitrade.
So,
Anak, dito sila nagtitrade.
This place is historical.
Nagtitinda lang ng fur.
Kaya hindi mo pwedeng yan itong lugar na to.
Trading, yan, yan, yan.
Oh wow! More. Give more.
Mother.
How
Mother.
many?
What the fuck did this guy just say?
Uy, baka malasing ka dyan. Alright ba yan?
Oh yeah.
Hey,
Yung hair mo, ang daming ano.
neutral.
Come get this.
Boat. There's a boat. Yeah. But we can go in here. Oh my god.
Set sail!
We can't.
No way kaya.
This boat was so cool.
What is that?
Boat. Okay, let's take a video of it.
Oh, can you take them out?
So what is this?
Oh, can you take them out? Come on here.
Nope. Mas. Wow. Oh, I can't go here. Wait. Scary. This is so scary. Guys, let's go.
I found a little bear in the forest. This is actually nice. You guys know.
You should have, punta tayo early talaga. I think 12. 12 noon. Dapat kanina talaga, umalis tayo. Hindi mo nga anak mo. Sige na, go, go, go.
Just kidding.
Oh! Whoa! Let's go. Let's speed run this. Guys, go faster. Where are they? No train. Look at the tall trees. Okay. Let's go. Guys, we're heading back because we don't have enough time. It's gonna go soon in like 1 hour. There. Let's go. There's a forest fire all the way over there. Guys, we're getting inside here.
Anak, may musical instruments, anak. Sa loob.
Why is it like this?
Anak,
Can we
may
use it?
musical instrument dyan.
Can we use it?
Ang ganda.
Why are you having the same phone?
Oh my gosh. This is so cool. This is so cool.
Ito pa din ang tunog, ano? Okay.
Guys! Baba! Open this. Okay, can't open that. It's the fire. This is here and climb on this. There's a playground here. Can we go there? I'm going over here. Guys!
Why? Ice cream. Where do we look for? I can't see. Yo, it's cut.
Just chilling because and I found these playgrounds, and so I'm just chilling here. Because right now it's nighttime. We're gonna go to the bathroom. We're gonna go to brush in the bathroom before we go to sleep. See you guys in the campsite. So, we're done. There's a moth. Okay, right there. So we're gonna head back to our campsite. So see you there, guys. Bye in 30 seconds. Okay, guys. So we're here. I'm just in like this area. We're gonna go ahead to the tent to go to sleep. Let's go. Okay. Actually, where is it? Wait, I forgot what blanket. Okay, guys, I got it. Okay. I just saw my bed. Kind of deflated. Look at all these flies. We're getting in there. It's red. It's red. Because of the light. I'll try changing the color. What is it? Like this.
I just represent him crying at this point.
So, we're on the bed. I'm going to sleep in a bed. Okay. Can't guys really see anything, but I'll see you later, or I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Guys, can you not record me in my flipping boxers? Oh my gosh. Guys, get a cup. I told you to get a flipping cup. Just get a foot at it. No. No, you're stupid. I need to choke. It's leaving. Frick! It's leaving. Oh.
We're gonna die.
Can you guys give me a cup? Give me a cup and a plate. No, those cups are bigger cup. Wow. Give me a plate.
Wait, why can't we just spray bug spray?
Shut up. We're
Okay.
gonna cook this thing. Hold this
We
part.
can just put bug spray.
Hold this part. I want you to slowly unfold it, okay?
Guys, just put bug spray.
Okay, slowly unfold it.
Little team.
Unfold it. Unfold the wood.
Nope.
Unfold it, unfold it, unfold it, unfold it. Up here. Oh, it's fine. Oh, fudge. Oh, sorry, my boy. Oh my god.
No.
Oh, that thing has a grudge with the snow, I can't lie. My hot dog, bro.
Which
I
freaking
got you
hot
guys, I'll protect the city.
guys, we're
Get out of here. Oh my
Dude.
gosh. It's on my phone, it's on my phone. Wait. What? Get trapped! Get trapped! Get trapped! Get trapped! Yeah, you're gonna try to get out, but you can't. I'm gonna open this up.
recording. No, nope.
Oh, it's right there. Climb up, buddy boy. But you can't. It's gonna
Bug
climb.
spray.
Oh, you're cooked, buddy. Oh, he's definitely doing something. Oh, I'm gonna put him in this little crack. Watch. It's over for you. Oh, fudge. He went in the crack.
No,
Oh,
team.
we're cooked. Oh, he got suffocated. I'm gonna take a photo and do this. We got packed.
Marshmallow. Forgot to film when it was morning, guys. What's wrong? Hey guys, right now it's 4:44. Now I'm chilling in the hammock, and my parents went to go get food, so I'm just chilling. Kind of tired. But we didn't really go anywhere today. But we went to like the lake, the river, and we got these baby fishes. We're gonna let them out tomorrow. I'll show you guys a picture of the fishes, so see you later.
Kuya!
Dinner time. Dinner. Barbecue for dinner. It's our last day today. We're gonna leave tomorrow at like 11. I'm sad. It was like a very good experience. Like we like traveled a lot though, but like we didn't really go anywhere today. I wanted to go to the museum, but that's okay. So like it's like raining right now. It's gonna be a thunderstorm. So we have to watch out for that right now. And here. That's like one thing. And right now I'm just doing it. It's so cold. It's cold. But yeah. So see you guys later or tomorrow. Outside. See you guys. Oh, it's raining. I feel like raining so hard right now. Yes. It's getting cold. There's no one at the park right now because it's raining. We might put the canopy down because there's a thunderstorm. Right now it's raining. I'm really sad because we're gonna leave tomorrow. It was such a good experience, but I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Makapasok na yung water. Isog natin.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, hello.
Nakasaypuan.
Hindi ako malilinis kung ano.
It's raining, it's pouring.
Paulanan mo na lang ito.
Mama, close it. It's going insane right now. Oh my gosh, it's literally pouring. It's like pouring rain out there. We're just chilling in here. Older brother's in the car right now, so he's safe in there. But we're not safe in here. We're safe in the middle of in here, but on this side it's actually getting like pouring outside. Oh my gosh, it's so loud. No, we can't reach the tent right now because we're gonna get like showered on. So, see you guys later. So later right now, it's actually thundering right now, guys. It's actually like insane, bro. Oh my days. Ma, this is about to get blown away. No, I'm just gonna get blown away. Oh my gosh. Ma, this is gonna get blown away. Oh no. Please, Lord. Oh my gosh. No. It's actually freezing. It's too late. We can't put it down. I don't know if I'll see it again.
Shut the frick up! Kung kaya sasakyan.
I'm scared. Guys, help me! Help me! It's like insane thunder right now, guys. We're literally camping. No. Oh my days, bro. Oh my days, bro. No.
Ano natin yan yung tent?
Bro, it's actually insane, bro. Severe thunder right now, guys. Guys have to help me, guys. Guys, right now it's nighttime. We're gonna go to sleep. But earlier, me and my siblings were in the car chilling. I didn't get to record that because my phone was charging. But now we're gonna go to sleep soon. So we're gonna go. We're gonna go home tomorrow. So I'm very sad. But he's doing it, playing my guitar. But see you guys tomorrow. Guys, so we already cleaned up most of the things. Cleaned up the canopy and the tent. Right now we're just packing to leave. I'm very, very sad right now because we're leaving to go home. The tent is not there anymore. The stuff are not here anymore, and it's like gonna rain, and it's already starting to rain already. My mom's backpack is getting wet, so my siblings are in the bathroom right now. Yeah, they're in the bathroom right now, but we're gonna go home. So see you guys later on the road trip. Bye.
I appreciate the road. Yan o. Meron pa isa dun.
I'm going home now.
Absolutely no fireworks.
We're here. No, we're not here.
Sira yung ano mo.
Museum right now.
Ha?
We're
Dito
gonna go
kayo
to the museum
lumabas
because we
sa
didn't
kabila.
finish it.
Yeah.
We're gonna go get.
We'll find you
I'm
guys.
not gonna record in there. So.
Sige
The
na.
museum's free,
Keep the
right?
phone in here.
Makakatulog naman kay mama
Keep
yan.
the phone in here.
Next stop natin
Guys.
is Starbucks.